okay, you did the banking thing, what you liked, what you didn't like, and then why you were more attracted to S&T?
Yeah, sure. I think the banking side was definitely a bit more, it was interesting in terms of went deep within one industry. So we were doing a lot of real estate, kind of hospitality, gaming, and the skills that you build within banking, I've definitely noticed later in my career. Like at Charity Water, I didn't notice it. Building a startup, I didn't notice it. Now more and more when I'm evaluating businesses, I notice it. But I think the stuff that I could have learned in banking would have been in 3 or 4 months, as opposed to doing it so many different repetitions of it, which I think is why a lot of analysts go in for a year or two and then get out. I didn't like the culture. I didn't like the kind of lifestyle of it. And I didn't like the pace of it. I think there was a lot of hours in the day where you're just sitting at your desk waiting for someone to drop work on your table. What I appreciated about trading, which I had done my sophomore year, was more the pace of it. And kind of every day you get in around 6, you leave around 4:35. I really appreciate to this day trading and investing in stocks. And I think that was the closest thing that I was getting into, was the pace of the flow of it. And at JP Morgan, there was a really good team there. So appreciated that a bit more. And that's why I wanted to do that. But I don't think the skills are that transferable.
Why do you think, if you kind of knew that you liked it on sophomore year, why do you think you went and did the banking? It was just the pressure to like, do you invest in banking because everyone else was?
There was a lot of pressure.